Here is the ice cream truck. That door does not open. It is shut with foam. If you remove the foam, it'll open. I haven't removed the foam because it is winterized inside. Somebody lived in it. It's got a newer battery. Here's another spot for another battery to help run the inside. The leak is up here somewhere. Yeah, I think on here. Yeah, right in here. This thing right here, it looks like this rubber's broken. That rubber piece right there is broken, and antifreeze just comes out through here. Mechanics said that they put the wrong grade tube on here, so it gets too hot. It screws it up. I think that was the problem. Never fixed it, but here's the inside of it. Everything's relatively new. Other than that, that was ran. Those are new. These guys are new, but I know the engine and motor is original, that they've rebuilt it 3 times. So there's the inside of that. We can go in here. It's got this cool winch. And if you remove this cap here, where you can work on it at. There's that. I wrapped the steering wheel with parachute cord. I think it looks pretty cool. I know the dashboard odometer and all that stuff or whatever's not worked in who knows how long. The only thing that does work on it is the heat gauge. There's where I lost the key. Here's the heater. It's like a school bus sized heater, but trust me, once this guy warms up, the engine and motor will keep it nice and warm in here. He's got a water tank, propane tank in here. I need to clean it. I haven't wiped anything down. Here's also where you can plug stuff in. Oh, little converter guy. There's space here to do whatever. There's the back door. I started spray painting it blue. It was gold. Okay, there's the hippies who had it before me. There's this gold seat here. It's locked in. That's seen better days. It's just duct tape. But it's in here pretty good. And it's got a seatbelt. Here's the back door. You just pull this lever here. Pops open. It was spray foamed in. I broke that free. See all that spray foam? Somebody used to live in here, so they spray foamed it. I spray painted up to the spray foam with blue, but the front is still gold. I have the spray paint can here so I can remember which one I used. But let me back out. Here's the inside of it. Ta-da! Yeah, just so you can see, the door opens and closes fine. That mirror, I pushed the mirror in. Windows on this side, but not on that. Yeah, and then you can just pull it. Ah! I guess I need 2 arms. There we go. Put a little strength in it, Sonia. But yeah, there it is. I'll get the measurements on it. I don't have my tape measure with me. It's over at the other house. But there he is. He's cute. A little smaller, like shorter than a mail truck. The smaller ones.